and welcome. I'm currently planning my live language course for beginners, which I'm hoping to launch this September. So if you're interested in joining and don't know how it works, here's a quick overview. The course runs through a Patreon subscription on my Patreon page. There's a special tier just for it where you can find all the details you need. Once you join, you'll get a Zoom link to our weekly live lessons, and we'll meet once a week for 1 hour in a small group setting so that everyone has the chance to participate actively. And we'll be using my own materials, so we'll follow the structure of the Everyday Dialogues book, which I teach in parallel with theory from the grammar book. I will also add plenty of extra practice and speaking activities beyond my books. And as a course participant, you will get special discounts to purchase the materials. By enrolling, you'll also get full access to my entire Patreon feed with extra learning resources, updates, and community posts. I'm still finalizing the schedule, but likely options for this group are Mondays at 12 or 12:30 p.m. GMT +2, so Germany time, or Tuesdays at the same times. If you'd like to join, please go ahead and vote for your preferred time slot on my Patreon page. The link is in the comments, as the group will be scheduled based on the most popular option. Please note that if you vote but are not a Patreon member, I won't be able to contact you. So if you're interested in joining, please also send me an email at learnromanianwithnico@gmail.com so that I can get back to you. If you're beyond the beginner level, I also run continuing groups currently about halfway through the materials, and these meet Mondays at 9 a.m. and Tuesdays at 2 p.m. again Germany time, so GMT +2. If that sounds like a better fit for you, just send me an email and I'll be happy to share more details. I hope that gives you a better idea of how it works, but if you have any more questions, please don't hesitate to send me an email. Okay, I'll see you next time. Be happy. Be happy. Ba, ba.